Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I will be reviewing and demoing Marlo Beauty Lucy mannequin head. If you would like to hear my thoughts on this product, then please keep watching. Okay, so initially I wanted to get the Miss Mary, but as you can see here, she was out of stock, so I decided to go with the Lucy mannequin head. She costs a little bit more money, but if you look at the differences between the two, they're practically the same. The only difference is the Lucy head is a little bit lighter in color. She's like a level 4, like a light brown or something like that. So I ended up having to buy two, and I got me some powder lightener in the process because the shipping is like anything under $99. You have to pay extra for shipping. So I got free shipping. My order date was December the 10th, as you can see here, and everything arrived on the 14th. So that is about 10th to the 14th. That's 4 days. Okay, here is the box here that it all came in. So we're going to open up the box and see what we have going on the inside. Okay, so here's my first box. As you can see, this is the Lucy head. Just turn it around. You can see that it said light brown hair. Up next is another box because I bought two. And finally, here's my bleach. Okay, so we're going to take Lucy out and see what she looks like. There's nothing in there. On to the next one. Okay, so I'm just going to take the little plastic off of here, and we take a look at her hair. It's like a reddish brown hair color. So like I said before, well, she doesn't look anything like the picture that they had, but yeah, well, as long as the quality is good, that's all that really matters. So I'm going to take it out, and we're going to do a couple of tests. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you a 360 of what the head looks like. They're both pretty much the same. So right here I've included a clip of how they actually measure the hair. They pretty much just go from the hairline to the back. I don't know what all this extra stuff that she's doing. And they call that the length of the hair. So as you remember, the length that they said they had was 17 through 19 inches, which is incorrect. I mean, like, who would normally measure hair from the front to the back? But apparently this is standard practice when it comes to measuring like these wigs and mannequin heads and whatnot. So it's not exactly what you may think. So when I did my measurements myself, I got about like 9, maybe 10 inches, and 10 is pretty much stretching it. But I got like 9, anywhere between 9 and 10 inches between the both of the heads. So that's what I measured. Okay, so right here, I'm just showing you I'm doing a strand test, taking a little piece from the back, and I'm going to lighten it and see how well it takes lightener. So right here, I'm just showing you, I'm going to do the very same thing. I'm just going to put the positioning of the strand test a little bit further to the left. So we're just going to see what this lightening is going to do. I use a volume 20 with my BW2 lightener. And typically takes 45 minutes for lift, so I use 45 minutes as my setting time. So I just let it process for 45 minutes. Okay, so right here I'm just straightening, blow drying the hair. As I normally do, I don't use any product. The only product that I have in the hair is that I shampooed and I rinse it out entirely because I want to get true results. So right here I'm just blowing the hair dry, and we'll see what what's coming up next. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you my brush. It's like full of hair. Not sure what that's all about. She shed a lot, but this is the first mannequin that I did. This is what her hair is looking like. And here's the second one. So I did a little bit of different parting. So again, like I said before, I didn't put any product in, and I'm now flat ironing the hair. This particular one, I'm going to just straighten it and see how well the hair straightens. I'm trying to see if the hair is going to just melt off or anything like that. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just showing you my Velcro rollers. What I'm going to do with these is I'm going to first curl the hair with my curling iron, my flat iron. Get a nice curl or bump into the hair, and then I'm going to roll that hair while it's still warm with my Velcro rollers. Like again, I said, there's no product. I didn't put any hairspray, any holding spray, or anything in there. And we're going to see if the hair can hold a curl. Okay, so here are the results of the first mannequin. It straightened pretty well. It looks pretty nice. The only thing I have to complain about is the very ends, very switchy and everything. And clearly she's going to need a haircut. Okay, so right here I'm going in to show you the results of that strand test, and she lifted pretty nicely, as you can see here. So that turned out to be very successful. And right here I'm just showing you the contrast between the brown hair and the strand test. Moving on to the next mannequin, where I rolled the hair, I curled it with a curling iron, and then I used the Velcro rollers to roll the hair. And as you can see, it's holding the curl pretty well, and it's nice and bouncy, and it has bounce and swing is all I can say. Right here I'm just going to brush through the hair. As you can see, it held the curl very good, very well. And yeah, it does like natural hair would when you roll it and stuff like that. It would have like a nice bounce and swing to it, and it passed the test pretty well as far as like being able to be curled. Okay, so here's the finished result of this mannequin. I'm just shaking her head so you can see that it's actually pretty bouncy and everything, which is pretty good because like that's how natural hair would react. Just giving you a 360 right here. Okay, right here I'm trying to find my strand test. Oh, there it is. So just showing you where strand test, where it took pretty well. It lightened very evenly. It's not spotted or splotchy or light here, dark there, or whatever. Just showing you the results of that right quick. And right here, I'm just showing you the contrast between the hair, natural hair color, and the strand test. Right here, I'm just giving you a close-up or a view of how those ends are looking. And they're looking pretty straggly. She's definitely going to need a trim, not a trim, but a haircut. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.